What's up, you guys? It's your girl V. Welcome back to my channel. As promised, I'm doing the Aztec hair mask on my daughter. I'm just mixing up all the ingredients. I mentioned this in my face mask video. If you haven't seen that, I suggest that you guys go ahead and watch it. So I'm just prepping her hair for the mask. I'm spraying it with water and I'm going to detangle. I haven't washed her hair or done anything to it. The mask is supposed to act as a clarifying mask, so it's going to clarify her hair, so they recommend that you don't wash it or do anything. I'm just going to go ahead and apply the mask on her hair. Basically, make sure to get it on her scalp and every strand of her hair so that each strand can get benefits from this mask. I'm basically just repeating the same steps on all sides of her hair, and I'll come back and show you guys the results once it's all done. Okay guys, this is her hair with all of the mask on it. I am so pleased and excited to see her hair this curly. I have never been able to get her curls to pop this much, so I do believe that this mask did a wonderful job at defining her curls. And this is her hair with the mask rinsed out. I do see that her curls did hold up. Some of them are not so curly, but it's quite soft. It looks manageable. I am going to go in with a deep treatment after I thoroughly rinse this mask out again. But I do recommend that you guys try this on your toddler's hair just to bring some life back into it, clarify the scalp and detoxify, all of that good stuff. I do hope that this video was helpful, and I will see you guys in my next video.